And that is the Bat Cave of wait, is this Phnom Sampho? Phnom Sampho, the Bat Cave. We are currently in Tamalco district and we're on the way to Battambang, but my dad needed to get some money at the ATM, so we stopped. The famous bamboo trains, or lorry as they call it here, is basically a cart.
You can lift.
You can lift it. There's a cart on the railroad track.
We lift.
You lift it. It's run by a little lawnmower engine.
Generator.
Wow. Do we have to wait?
They make a deal with how much.
So they're trying to make a deal. Was it a fun ride?
Oh, it feels very bumpy.
Bumpy.
Today we are in the streets, at least 5 or 6 people deep. We're here to see our King of Peace. Through weeping eyes, down on bended knee. Look to the future, tell me, what do you see? Unity and peace? Or bloody bandages where the wound still bleeds? Yes, it's rouge indeed. Will history repeat? Only time will tell. Do enemies wait like when Java Man fell? Quiet in the palace gardens where the playboy prince held his parties. His elegant soirees. E-flat note on a saxophone floats down Boulevard Notre Dame. Our living God is gone. He was the father and we the children. Loved like a martyr. The king has left the building. He was the father and now his spirit's moving. Carried on the wings of a Garuda. He was the father and we the children. Loved like a martyr. The king has left the building. He was the father and now his spirit's moving.
It's a lot bumpier than I thought it was going to be. And fast, very fast. You would hurt yourself if you fell off. What do you think? That's good. How much was that? How much? $10 for each train?
Yeah.
$10 each. So it costs $10 for each train or lorry, and normally it's a little further than that, I believe. Right? Does it usually take you farther?
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't have enough time, so we only went like halfway, which is cool with me. my wife says that you look like my brother.
Oh, đấy.
Like Vu, actually the girls, when they saw the video, they asked if Vu went too. I didn't know Vu went with. Is it not Vu?
It's a time for grief, because each and every one of us have felt his incredible reach. Hands that only sought peace, endeavored to teach or protect the innocents at the very least. Subjects his children, his home, his kingdom. Fought for what little security he could bring them. Even in exile, his power remained until today. Lotus flowers scattered on the pavement.
Ooh.
Okay, over there. Oh, here.
មានលោកតាបាក់កូនក្នុងហ្នឹងខ្ញុំពិច្រើនគេសុំយកបាយលើនេះ
ថាម៉េចឡានឡើងទៅលើនឹងទៀត They put somebody, yeah.
Oh, they killed him in there? Or killed
Just pressure.
Keep
Pressure.
here and here.
killed there. That's a prison. And then they killed him
Yeah.
down there.
Bắt không? Anh từng lần mình. Khi bắt bắn. Nhộng bắt vào đây này, bắt phim. Ăn đấy, mẹ bắt phim. Ăn đấy. Tờ ăn mưa khơi gì? Mưa khơi bắt lưng ngất. Okay, fish. Mưa khơi đó bắt lưng. Here is the place like after they keep in the prison and they bring the like a prisoner
Prisoners.
kill here.
Right.
Yeah.
A lot of people were killed here.
Yes, shooting the Pol Pot regime. Wow, you know
Yeah.
how they kill.
Wow. Looks like a popular method of killing people was boiling them. This is really freaky. Beheading. It was probably too quick. I don't even want to know what that is. Jesus. Cow. God. That is really creepy. But look at this amazing view.
Yeah, over there is better.
Amazing. Alright, that's enough of that crap. That's creepy. Wow, look at that. Sheesh. What is that? Tonlea? What is that?
No,
That lake there.
right there.
Oh, that's rice field. Looks like water.
Yeah.
What's down here?
This to kill the people
In here.
in here. But it's dark
Dark.
right now. You cannot see.
I think that's where they took me.
Yeah.
Down there. In this cave. This is a cave, right?
Yes.
So they take him down there and did whatever.
It's so dark right now.
Yeah.
Super.
That's scary.
Like
This, yeah, come on.
yeah.
Come on, Clyde, come on.
Clyde, come on.
Means scared of. I'm afraid of ghosts. And if there's any ghosts, there's ghosts down there. Go back? Okay. Let's go back.
Yes.
Thọt pin đấy. Thọt pin đấy.
ថតពីអ្នកនេះ
នេះថតគាត់
Oh.
បានគេបានវត្តមានដែរ
Good. Good. Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
1 2 3
Yes.
Stop.
There it is. We just barely missed it. It's coming out. those are millions and millions of bat just pouring out of this cave.
ไอ้เลยព្រះអង្គយាយចូលទេបង្គត់